Namaskar, my friends. Today we talk about a digital revolution sweeping our nation, ONDC. This stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce. Imagine a digital bazaar open to all, big or small. That's ONDC. ONDC is not just another online platform, it's a network connecting buyers and sellers directly. No middlemen, no high fees. This means more customers for you and better prices for them. ONDC is different from other platforms. Think of the big companies you know. They control everything on their platform. ONDC is open. You list your products on one platform, and they can be seen on many. More visibility, more customers. Ready to join the ONDC revolution? It's easier than you think. First, choose a platform that's part of the ONDC network. Think of it as choosing a shop in our digital bazaar. Next, create your seller account. You'll need some basic information about your business. It's like setting up your shop in the bazaar. Once your shop is ready, list your products. Clear photos, good descriptions, and the right price will attract customers. Now you're open for business on ONDC. Like any bazaar, ONDC has some rules. These ensure fairness and transparency for everyone. Understand the terms and conditions of your chosen platform. Always be honest in your product listings. Provide accurate descriptions and high-quality images. Happy customers will come back for more. Respond to customer queries promptly. Good communication builds trust. And always strive to provide excellent customer service. Congratulations, you're an ONDC seller. Now, let's get those sales rolling. Use the power of digital marketing. Social media, online ads, and special offers can attract customers to your shop. Think of your shop as a brand. Build a strong online presence. Engage with your customers, get feedback, and improve your products and services. ONDC is a game changer for small businesses. It's an opportunity to reach millions of customers across India. So join the digital revolution and let's build a brighter future together.